Hey guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. In this video, you will find some amazing lighting gadgets for home decoration. So keep watching. Number 1 on our list is Levitating Moon Lamp. Levitating Moon Lamp is a great addition to any room in the home. This lamp is made using 3D printer. The moon lamp is able to float using maglev technology. It hovers an inch away from the magnetic base while transferring energy to the nearby lamp. Some of the lamp features includes impressive design with crater depth, 18 cm in diameter, base charges the lamp while levitating and glowing. With single charge, this lamp works for 48 hours. The lamp also has amazing realistic embossed pattern. The lamp is available in various sizes from 8 cm to 20 cm. If you are thinking about unique gift for someone, then this will be the perfect option. Number 2 on our list is Elegant Light. Would you like to transform your space into the imaginary playground? Here is the solution. Element Light, the world's smartest and most modular light. Element's fully modular design allows you to create any patterns you want, rearranging your awesome designs in seconds with our rigid pinpoint system. With hundreds of incredible themes, you could bring a vivid light art on your wall. Each panel has built-in proximity sensor that allows you to hover control each panel individually. Built-in microphone automatically synchronizes the rhythm of your favorite music and gives you the exclusive light show. Elements app is available for both iOS and Android. It also supports Google Home Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Number 3 on our list is Nanoleaf Canvas. The Nanoleaf Canvas was designed to add the dash of playful ambient light to any room. And yes, it reacts to your touch. With Nanoleaf Canvas, you can control the lights or play touch games with the palm of your hand. You can even control the squares with voice, touch or Nanoleaf app. With Nanoleaf, you can even create your own designs and shapes. With Activate the Rhythm mode, the light squares react to the sound. The best part is with the included mounting tape, Nanoleaf Canvas can be installed without need of the drill machine. Number 4 on our list is Aquarius Fountain Lamp. Aquarius is a fountain lamp that manipulates the water in visually impossible ways. Your friends and guests can become mesmerized watching the stream of water bend, change colors, freeze in place, rise upwards, split off into the multiple streams, and even display the effects such as the volcanic lighting or the northern lights. Because of its slim profile, Aquarius can fit within a variety of indoor environments. Number 5 on our list is Bank Light Screen Bar. If you work most of the time on computer, then it is essential that you have the optimal lighting conditions at the workspace. Bank Light Screen Bar sensor can read environmental brightness and automatically gives you more light while reading. Simultaneously, the exclusive e-reading computer screen bar Smart Light app will adjust the laptop screen brightness according to the ambient light, giving you the ideally lit workspace. Number 6 on our list is Aomi Bluetooth Night Light. Aomi is a Bluetooth-enabled multicolor rechargeable LED night light that you can control with your phone. It has a built-in battery that will last for up to 12 hours per charge, so you can place your Aomi anywhere you want. Some of the features include 16 million color options, control over brightness, smart timers, 12 hours rechargeable battery life, beautiful aluminum bezel and folding power prongs to sit flat. Number 7 on our list is JBL Pulse 3. JBL Pulse 3 is a waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker with 360-degree light show and sound. With JBL Pulse 3, you can amplify your listening experience by wirelessly connecting more than 100 JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers. With the noise and echo-cancelling speakerphone, you can take the calls from your speaker with the touch of a button. You can even access the Siri or Google Now from the speaker with a simple button press. Number 8 on our list is Playbulb Garden. Playbulb Garden is a lightweight smart color LED solar garden light. Playbulb Garden offers the shining colors and special lighting effects. The built-in sensor detects the surrounding lighting condition and automatically turns the play bulb on or off. Once play bulb gets fully charged, it can operate up to 20 hours. There is even Playbulb X free app available for Android and iOS. With the help of app, it is possible to control colors, lighting effects and other controls as well. So those were some of the amazing lighting gadgets for home decoration. Hope you liked the video. Please like and share the video. If you are new to our channel, then hit that red subscribe button and ring the bell icon to receive the notifications of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.